Keeping the job site clean just got a whole lot easier. This is the Milwaukee M18 Brushless Compact Vacuum, a high-performance skin designed for quick, powerful cleanups without the bulk. Don't let the compact size fool you. Under the hood, it's a brushless motor producing a massive 160 mbar of suction. Whether it's wood shavings, metal filings, or common job site debris, it picks it up in a single pass. No more going over the same spot twice. At just 2.4 kilos, it's perfect for high-reach work. Milwaukee has nailed the ergonomics here. The textured grip and balanced handle means you can use it all day without the wrist strain. Plus, the built-in LED light is a lifesaver when you're cleaning out dark cabinetry or tight corners. It comes ready to work with 5 versatile accessories. You get a 1.8 meter flexible hose for the hard-to-reach spots, an extension wand, a crevice tool, and a pivoting floor tool that glides across any surface. Paired with the M18 5 amp hour battery, you're looking at around 20 minutes of continuous runtime, perfect for those end-of-day spot cleans. When you're done, the quick release latch makes emptying the tank a 5-second job. From the workshop to the site, this is a must-have for any M18 user. Check it out via the link in our bio or grab yours today at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our email to get weekly serious savings on all the best brands and tools.